Bernard Gichana. I'm the chairman, Southwest Kenya branch of LSK. Today we had organized some massive demonstrations against the loss of one of the judicial officers in Nairobi, Makadara Law Courts. And with us we have 2 judicial officers in Kisii Law Courts. And we want to state that we really condemn in the strongest terms possible the senseless and barbaric killing of the magistrate, the judicial officer. We wish to state that it's very unfortunate that the judicial officer lost her life while in the line of duty. So it's so sad that the security in our law courts appears compromised. We urge the government to beef up security for our judicial officers who are handling very sensitive matters. Further, I wish to state that we lost a very young life, very dynamic, who had a bright future, and she left behind a very small child. So I wish to state that I wish to condemn the killing, really, which happened within the court precincts. And as law society, we also feel that our lives are not safe because we are the stakeholders in justice system. We wish to state that the government appears not serious regarding the security of our judicial officers, and you saw even yesterday. We have taken a very strong stand against the killing, and we want to state that we are so saddened by the loss, and I don't know whether I need to. Yes. We are gathered here as lawyers. We have a huge number of lawyers in this region, and particularly in Kisii, where the demonstrations are ongoing. Our president has called nationwide demonstrations, and we have heeded that call. I wish to thank our lawyers, our colleagues who have heeded the call to come and participate in the demonstrations. So we request the media to really condemn the acts, and we are really agitated. We wish to state that we have also met the county commissioner, and he has assured us that he is going to beef securities within the court precincts from tomorrow, and we take that assurance because security is not guaranteed. As you see, there are no police officers here, so it's quite worrying that our judicial officers who are handling some of the very sensitive matters are not well guarded. We also request the government to beef up security of our judicial officers even at the residences, so that they are safe, so that they're not threatened by, so that they're not worried about their security. And I want also to urge our judicial officers to be firm in the way they're handling their work, so that the criminal justice is safeguarded, because this is the last pillar in our society. If the justice system collapses, ideally, we won't have order in society. So I beseech our judicial officers to be brave, so that they act firmly and they take just decisions.
Within the branch, Southwest branch, we have chapters. I'm the chair, Kisii chapter. And first of all, I want us to experience a moment of silence for our departed soul, Honorable Kivuti. I want to condemn the killing of our judicial officer in the strongest term possible, and wish to call upon our government to look into this issue in a broader perspective. Imagine if our members of parliament have more than one security personnel allocated to them. For sure, it won't cost the government anything for them to allocate security personnel to our judicial officers who are dealing with very risky and sensitive cases. Also, the members of the public, the court users, we ain't safe. We ain't safe in our courts. In fact, we are safe in hotels, in supermarkets, but in court here, it's not serious. The security is not, even at the gate, people just enter. You don't know who at the court, who is entering the court. We really call upon the government to ensure security upon everyone. Security is number one.
Maandamano manene ayuatangazitwe Kenya ngima asengencho yogo kwa Honorable Kivuti uyitwese ekoti ya Makadara Law Courts. Lero iga une branch ya Southwest branch ya Law Society nigo twatwara maandamano yo morembe elio koene kinga twalete ujumbe ochia se abanyanyimbo na bali baka ni riko beko borendi ase bigambiro beitu ngama ngana talibuya abantu baito bagocha ase bigambiro ekegambiro na kie karu yo boene ekerere karu yo boene twamanyire konyoranga ngaiga ase bigambiro no borendi botayo no emboli oboke abantu bali baito bakorukungana bago abana chebina nigo bamenyeta aso bwo bonene ase ngencho bona banyorerwa sokogosererio konene korwa ase balia bagocha ase court security ase chikoti chaito bantu mbali go check wekaro bagocharo abantu bagoche court baimogetie bioma ao nandi yachire korokananga negento kerabe ekebekegima tuamochirie gakori ekekegima naende nigo togotebanga abantu ba mintando simweso ase more ekekori ekigatika kigikeriwe ekiageretigerie gakori kia ase ngencho buna toreiga obotamero boito bwo mwerio na ase chikoti ekero tokonyoranga ase togotamera gocha court na aro tuachakire gutwara obwo baroro nige korokia nga igo morembe na demokrasia ya Kenya tarigo chikogenda egento ngero tokorokanga judicial independence ekero judiciary ko threatened independence of the decision making nige ko ba compromise ekero abiro compromise ekinege ntokiragerenga abantu baito tiga twaro boremu ase bigambiro igo tugosabanga abantu baminto moto bwatisi ekekori ekekigikeri ukegima ekiagerana mamochama nene ekero tokonyoranga oyo minto yo moito olioro mona chebina niga gukwira ase court egento kende twarorira samangana angelinga chikoti chaito judiciary na the serikali ngima nigo tugosaba serikali ngaki baminto bwatoka resources elinde chikoti chiagacho abana chibaite bina abagokorire bina ase chitendi siko abana chibaite bina tibabwati ese bakobera abagosanga chirum chiritokoroka chambers igo mbali konyoro bosiboro obuya gose facilities chire chingiya elinde bakoro bakorire boito bare no boremu batari kokosari gwanchirende onse ekiagera karo konyoro omonto ari sika ase mbure gotu ngano ataite kona chirwe kina nige kobango no mochando monene oyuto kogikeri mono nagoteba ngaki eserikali tigebwato kechibesa elinde judiciary enyore facilities chire chingiya chire safe na ande chire secure elinde tonyore justice ase bigambiro beitumbuya.
Tunasema pole kwa ile kisa ilitokea Makararo. Tunaelewa kulikuwa na lapse kidogo, lakini haikuwa lapse ile mbaya, kwa sababu kama ingekuwa lapse ile mbaya watu wengi wangepoteza maisha. Mliona askari walichukua hatua haraka haraka. Yes. So kwa upande wetu hapa Kisii nataka niwahakikishie kwamba usalama ya wale watu ambao wanafanya judiciary iko sawa. Tumeweka mikakati. Hatutapata na hatujawahi kuwa na kiza ingine. Hatujawahi kuwa na kiza na hatutapata kiza kama hiyo. Sawa? So nataka mtembee mkijua kwamba usalama wenu iko sawa. Tumeweka mikakati.
Tupe askari watupe askari hivyo.
It's a very sad day, right? For you, sana se fraternity. Kisii, the magistrate demo. Ando tigiro mwana bwate. Umwaka ya mane metinyi nane. Togo sababu na moto konyesi ase giye yokorigi security officers kwa court. Nomulire Kisii ulo court yeito. Okonyora kwanza na machando na romo nene sana. Ndobu ati court chisaini. Na molte ni ga muchikolire ruchimata na mokorona ne tendi roli bagalie court. Okonyora chise chinyinge. Neri bataliko bataina okonyora mufungwa agotuma korugali gocha moinaga. Togo sarare serikali ichukulie maneno ya security yaba judicial officers yaba wakili none yaba wananchi yaere kerodi sasirira bwato kutalina na balira misiri yake umonzo ikaraste court kamaranche tokonye gokulira sengencho na judicial officers are also human beings. Judicial officers also have rights. Judicial